These are the 3 best beginner core exercises that you can do from home. The first move is called the reverse crunch. And why I like this move so much is because it's in a lying position, so your spine stays neutral throughout this movement the entire time. Plus, there's one form cue that if you do it right is going to make sure that you protect your lower back and strengthen your core so much more. So let's start with that. The first thing you want to do is you want to push your lower back into the ground and keep it pushing the ground the entire time. What does that mean? If you can stick your fingers underneath your lower back, you're not pushing down hard enough. Or if as you do this movement, you start to feel your lower back start to lift, well, then you're doing it too challenging for you. And we need to scale the difficulty down a little bit to make sure it's the right movement for you. So once we push our lower back into the ground, we're going to take our fingertips away from our ears and put our palms toward the sky like this. If this is too uncomfortable on your neck too, feel free to lift your head or put a pillow under there for support. From there, bring both knees up and try to compress your core by bringing your knees towards your chest, but still keeping that lower back flat against the ground. Now, we're going to drop our heels as we inhale, and then exhale as you bring the knees back into the chest like this. Inhaling down, exhaling up, focusing on keeping the lower back glued to the ground the entire time. Now, if this is too easy for you, you can just straighten the legs a little bit more into a 90-degree position. And if this is too easy for you, you can straighten the legs a little bit more into a slightly bent position. Or you can even do these with your legs fully straight, just like this. Now, if this is too hard for you, then just go ahead and lower one foot at a time and alternate from side to side, just like this. The whole time, on any variation, making sure to keep that lower back glued to the ground. The second core move is going to be the kneeling plank. So here's how to do that with perfect form. You're going to start in a kneeling position. Make sure you have something nice and soft and cushy underneath your knees. This should feel comfortable for you. Come down to your elbows, but turn your thumbs toward the sky like this. Now, a mistake a lot of people make in the plank is they either stick their butt up too much like this, or they let their hips sag down too much like this. Both of those put too much pressure on the lower back. So instead, squeeze the glutes and tuck the pelvis, trying to aim the tailbone towards the ground, which is going to give you a better lower back posture and target your core muscles more. From there, instead of pushing forward with your arms like this, drag your elbows backwards like this towards your knees, which is going to make you feel these muscles right here, your lats, your serratus, and all the muscles of your core, making it a little bit harder, but also making it safer and more effective. Hold this position, making sure to keep the lats tension and the glutes tension the entire time to keep your lower back safe. And breathe shallow as you hold this position. The third core move you're going to do is a kneeling side plank. So it looks like this. You're going to come down to your elbow. You're going to put your knees on top of each other like this, and then you're going to lift your hips into a straight line. So you have a straight line between your knees, your pelvis, your belly button, all the way up through your chest, all the way up to the top of the head. And try to make sure that your butt doesn't stick out or you're not twisting from side to side like this. Everything's stacked right over that elbow. Now from there, we want to activate those same muscles, the lats, the serratus, by dragging our elbow this way. So when a lot of people hold this position, they push up with their arm, but I want you to drag down like this. Again, this will make this move a whole lot harder, but it will make it safer and more effective for you. So lift into the position, drag the elbow towards the knees, hold, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the lats, and hold this position, again, as you breathe shallow.